If I see one more post on social media that's like, here's the 44 apps you need to help your ADHD, I think I'm officially gonna lose it. So I have been teaching digital organization on YouTube for 5 years now, more specifically with Notion and more recently with Notion and Claude. And I have talked to so many people who have the most chaotic digital lives. They have everything in notebooks all over the place. They have physical, they've got digital, they've got Google Drive, they've got Evernote. They've tried all these different apps, nothing sticks. And so everything is everywhere. And I'm just sitting here going like, guys, there's a better answer to this. Pick one app. Pick one app. Stop trying new apps and then losing interest in a week. Pick one app to start. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys why it's important to have an external memory, to have a second brain, to have one place to have and store all of your information. For me, that's Notion. Notion is my baby. It's the thing I love the most. I literally don't know what I would do without it. It could be something else for you. I'm not saying you have to use Notion, but for me, I have found it is the best tool for storing all the stuff that I have in my head, getting it out and actually putting it somewhere. And not just in a bunch of different places, in one place. I think this is what I'm trying to get across to you. Stop doing everything in 8 different apps. The context switching between them is allowing so many people to lose focus. Things get caught between the 2 cracks and they're not able to put everything in one place. The nice thing about Notion and Claude, first of all, they work very well together. Claude can work with a lot of other apps on your computer and bring stuff together. Notion is long-term storage for all the stuff that you need in your life. They also have now AI meeting notes, which allows you to take track of meetings, clients, that sort of thing that you're doing, and actually have them somewhere. In addition, one of the things I think a lot of people that are using AI are starting to realize is they need to document how they work. This has been something that has been happening for many, many years, but until recently, until AI has needed context, a lot of people have not actually written down what they do on a daily basis with all of their action steps. This is something in Notion and I guess Claude called a markdown file, where you basically have a text file of just context, who you are, what you do, what your actual action item is, and how it works. So today I'm going to be walking you through all of the different projects or markdown files that I use in my life, because I think it's very important to have all of this written out for yourself. Now, I did a presentation last week with a group in my city called Minnesota Women in AI. I actually have the full training on my Substack, so it's actually not available on my channel. It's just on my Substack. So if you go to jennaredfield.substack.com, you can watch that full hour video plus 30 minutes of Q&A. I will say, if you want more trainings live, join my Substack for $5 a month. We have 2 workshops a month, one on marketing, one on Notion, and a monthly Notion office hours for just $5 a month. I think it's the best deal on the internet, so I hope you guys check that out. But I wanted to say, in that presentation, I shared with you what are the SOPs or the standard operating procedures or project files that I think every business, every person needs to have. So today I'm going to be sharing with you just that part of the presentation. So I will be showing you some graphics and kind of how I do that in Notion and Claude, because I think it's really important. I think it's very, very helpful for people to just know what are the things I need to be documenting. And what's cool is you can actually use it across platforms. You can use it on Claude, you can use it on Chat, you can use it on Gemini. You can have it be basically the source of all of the information about you and your business in one place. Context, information, ideas, brand voice, that sort of thing. Every business, I believe, needs this. And a lot of people have never, ever set this up before. So it's brand new. But once you've set it up, it's easy to update it. You have it now, and it's saved as a file. It's not saved in some random app. It's saved as just like a text file on your computer. It's called a markdown file. It's like a Google Doc or something, but it's just on your computer. And it's a very, very, small file. It's not like it's going to take up a bunch of space, but it just has everything written down. And for me, getting things out of my head and written down is so important as a neurodivergent person. So I hope you guys check this out. Make sure to watch through and figure out what categories you need to start writing down and documenting, and let me know what videos you want to see in the future. I'm going to be doing a ton more on marketing, on Claude, on Notion, on all these things, digitally organizing your life. I hope you guys check it out. Okay, so this is what I shared in my presentation. I just wanted to talk about it briefly. So one of the things that I think is really important is to have project instructions in Claude, in Notion, whatever platform you're using, to give it context. Now, I also like to save all of these as markdown files so I can be used across different platforms, but I also like to keep them in Claude as project instructions, as well as in Notion in a database called project instructions. So I wanted to go through what I actually list out as my project instructions. So let me just go through them real quick. So the first one is my brand and business. Now, these are things like, what is my brand? What projects am I working on? This is all internal stuff. My brand voice. So what do I sound like? So if I'm writing something out, what does that sound like? These are all separate things. My frameworks and IP. So it has it all listed out, the things that I've created for myself. My business overview and positioning, how I position myself. Brand architecture. My ideal client profile. Offer suite. So what do I actually offer? My revenue goals and business model. My marketing and competitor analysis. Who am I actually, competing against? And then finally, what do I speak on? Do I have a media kit information? All of this is in individual text files that I can then use as project instructions for Claude or for Notion. So I do this, I have the exact same one for each one. I also have them for operations and client experience. So things like how to actually create other project instructions. I have an actual instructions page. Index project instructions, so that's how do I organize it. Client sales, client suite project instructions. So that's basically how I work with clients, that sort of thing. Onboarding, offboarding, follow up, what do I send to email with instructions, partnerships and referrals, files and folder naming. So that actually helps my AI know all this stuff, my tech stack and my tool guide, my SOPs, my master index, and then finally my weekly and monthly review process. So all of these are instructions that tells AI what to do. Sorry if there's a mower, annoying. Then we've also got content. So if I'm creating any type of content, this is exactly, for example, with my YouTube project instructions, I know exactly, okay, give me 30 tags for this. If I upload an audio file, or a transcript, I will have it create all the tags for that video. I'll do it for this video. And it does it automatically. If I'm doing any video projects or presentations, it helps me organize the way that I want it to come across. Any of my projects, LinkedIn, super long instructions on LinkedIn on how I want my LinkedIn post to sound. So all I do is I just switch over to that project in Claude or in Notion, and it has all the context there. If I'm in Claude Cowork or Claude Code, I have a markdown file and it will read that. So it knows exactly what it needs to do to actually do that. So this is all very, 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 very helpful. And then finally, the last one, personal. I use this a lot. My health instructions are super long. It tells everything about my latest blood results, all of my genetic issues, all that stuff is listed. So when I ask it a question, it knows specifically based off of the protocol that I'm working on right now. Anything that has to do with anything that has a multiple step process, like for example, when I go shopping, I use Claude to help me choose outfits based off of all of the criteria. I'll just snap a photo, upload it into Claude, and it will tell me yes or no based off of that project. I did a whole video on this. So for me, having all of these as my SOPs is so important for me and my business and my life. So if you have not used a project in Claude or Chat or Notion, start here. I will be listing in my Substack just all of these below, but I just wanted you to get started and kind of what to do. Make sure to go to my Substack to read all of the things that I recommend adding to project instructions. But this to me is the most important part that a lot of people are missing when it comes to AI and using AI, is they're just asking it straight up and it's not actually getting any context about your business or your life. So if you have one thing to do right now, set these up for yourself. If you're using Claude, you can just say create a markdown file and it will create it for you with this. Even just ask Claude, hey, I want to create a SOP or project instructions for this part of my life. What things should I add? And it will tell you. So a lot of this stuff, you don't need to have a ton of stuff there, but you can actually add documents or files that you already have and just say, here's context, and then it will write it out for you. So if you've written anything out before, you can just pop that document in and it will literally just synthesize it for you. So this is a really, 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 really important, guys. So I highly recommend setting all these up, You can set up more than this. You can set up whatever you want, but then that way you are starting to have context for all of your AI projects. And this is what they look like when it comes to the actual, if you go to projects, you will see here that I have a ton of different stuff. So if I go to, like, for example, health, you can see that I have references, that sort of thing. Let me go if I can see if I can find an exact answer. So this one has the actual project instructions. This YouTube ideas one, this is one that where I have an idea of running ideas for videos. I also have all of my archive videos so that if I ever have any questions of, hey, these are the videos I've done in the past, I also have all of the view counts. So as I'm coming up with ideas for new YouTube videos, I can feed that into whether it's Gemini or Claude or Chat. I can literally just send them that markdown file and be like, here's all the information and context. So I have multiple files for some of these projects, but also I like to have like an actual brand instructions for each of them as well. And I keep a lot of that in Notion or in Claude projects. So I could probably create a markdown file here, but I keep them a lot in Claude projects. So if I go into Claude, you can see here I have a bunch of different things. So for example, within my health project instructions, you will see here that I have all of my instructions on what I want Claude to understand about me. It's a lot. I told you, it's very long. It's very specific. And so for me, I have all that information to give it when I'm talking to it. So then anytime I have a health question, I will go into this one. Let's see if I can make this a little bit smaller. So you can see here, so I have all of my information about all of my stuff.